加瓜，加瓜，有加瓜哎，那些有加瓜哎。爆啊！爆！看你的右边。
Shovel likes to play with mud, especially when it's wet. His parents, India and Han, are coming up next. The jaguar is a top predator in the Amazon. It has a powerful bite that gives us strong resistance.
电的这个，电的。
这边看有没有？哇，在这边哎。哇，
真的，哇，真的假的？
真的啦！
用鸡肝手指，
哇，好棒！哎呀，真脆啊！
还有牙齿，我还学过很大呢。还有，喷水啊！
哦，要来了，下水了！
妈妈准备雨伞。
不要再发了。Monkey！
哇，多牛！
哇，前面你看，哎，反正有飞奔。
还有一个。
If you turn to your left, you'll spot the Komodo flamingo. The flamingo's small
我懂了，西瓜。
with microscopic
怎么来的？
It is this food that gives the flamingo its red plume. These
你看什么来的？
These large cousins
老
of
鼠。
weigh up to 70 kilograms and are the world's largest children.
我讲你，自己要讲。
吵架，你们3只吵架，打架起来。
我抓讲了啊！
哎呦，刚才我跟他大便。
We're now entering the realm of these animal birds use their beaks to call animals
哎，在上面你看。
gathers in columns of several thousands. This gives them protection in numbers. Well, explorers, I hope you have been enjoying this book. If you wish to see more Amazonian animals, have an amazing day after this flight. Farewell.
没有了，有点可怕。
没有用的啦。
来，刚刚变身。